Okay, good morning to everybody. Uh, Today we'll discuss about how to solve the first order and first degree differential equation of first order and first degree, and especially the homogeneous equation. Okay, in our previous lecture we have discussed the first order and first degree part 1, how to solve the first order first degree differential equation by variable separable method. So today we'll discuss another method for solving the first order and first degree differential equation by homogeneous. First of all, what is homogeneous equation? Homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. An equation of the form f1 x comma y and f2 comma x. If there are two types of function, one is f1 and other is f2, in which f1 is the function of xy, and also f2 will be also function of xy, are homogeneous function, function of the same degree, that means the degree will be same. f1 and f2 degree will be same. In that case, these types of differential equation will be called homogeneous differential equation. Is called homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree, because only single derivatives and the highest power will be 1. This is why first order and first degree. Remember it, first order and first degree. Actually, for solving these types of differential equation, we have to put the variable y like this, y equals to bx. Okay, then this differentiation what will be, this dy dx what will be, dy dx will be what, u into differentiation of b differentiation of x, what, 1 plus db dx. Okay, so we can substitute the variable y in terms of b. So just substituting this, we can solve these types of differential equation. Now we will try to give an example how to solve these types of differential equation. Now example 1, classify the following whether homogeneous or non-homogeneous or linear or non-linear. We have to classify these 4 differential equation. These 4 are the first order and first degree differential equations. Now which will be homogeneous or non-homogeneous and which will be linear or non-linear, we have to classify them. First of all, this differential equation dy dx equals to what, ty square. This differential equation is non-linear, non-linear because here y square term y square term power is what? 2. So this is not not linear because of the presence of presence of y square term. Y square term. This y square term makes it non-linear. Remember it. Now, second differential equation dy dt t square y, because this is the dependent variable whole square. This is why dependent variable whole square term makes this non-linear. Remember it. There are dependent variable y and independent variable what? T. Independent variable what? T. But dependent variable whole square makes this differential equation non-linear. Now, this differential equation dependent variable multiply t square. So this is the linear is linear and homogeneous because same degree. There are two types of function, all f1 and f2 will be same degree 1. It can be put in the form because it can be written as y dash minus t square y equals to 0. That means right hand side is 0. If right hand side is 0, then it will make homogeneous. You must know from our previous lecture. Now, number 3, the differential equation cos t y dy dt. The y dash means what? Dy dt et y equals to sin t. Here t is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. So it is ordinary differential
স্যার নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম ছিল।
So the number 3, this differential equation can be written as y dash plus et. That means this is the function of t only into y equals to tan t. That means it's look like this dy dt plus pty and qt, where p and q is the function of t only. Remember it. T means what? The independent variable. Okay. So this is the standard form of linear differential equation. So it will be look like linear but non-homogeneous because qt is not equals to 0. Remember it, qt is not equals to 0. This is why non-homogeneous. Remember it. Now the number 4 differential equation. The number 4 differential equation will be, it's also can be written as like this. Number 4, y dash multiplying by y on both sides. Okay, t cube y minus sin t. Okay, this equals to 0. Can be written as, this can be written as like this, the given differential equation number 4. So this is actually linear, look like this, is linear and homogeneous. Homogeneous why? Same degree and same. If you divide it, if you can be written as, if this equation can be written as like this will be same degree. And homogeneous why? Qt is equals to 0. if qt equals to 0, then we can consider what? Homogeneous. If qt is not equal to 0, then it will become non-homogeneous. Remember it. And this is the standard form of linear differential equation. Okay. So we can classify the following, whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous, whether it is linear or non-linear. Just with this 4 differential equation, we can set this example. Okay, now how to solve the homogeneous differential equation, actually first order and first degree. Example 1, solve twice xy plus x square into y equals to 3y square plus twice xy. So this is actually homogeneous. Why? First of all, why it is homogeneous? Remember it. This is the y dash. Remember it. That means dy dx. Okay. So this x and y total power what? 2. And x square total power what? 2. And y square total power what? 2. So xy total power what? 1 and 1, 2. So all term are homogeneous. And this can be, this differential equation can be written as like this. Dy dx equals to y dash means what? Dy dx equals to 3y square plus twice xy and twice xy plus x square. Actually, this is the standard form of, this is the first function f1 and this is the second function f2 and same degree. Okay, this is why it is homogeneous differential equation. So now, which is homogeneous differential equation? Okay, which is now put y equals to what will be? For solving these types of differential equation, we have to substitute
স্যার আপনি মিউট হয়ে গেছেন।
now. From this is the first equation number 1. From 1, substituting these values here, dy dx what will be? B plus x db dx. Okay, and this by bx whole square plus twice x bx divided by twice x bx and x square. So from this b plus x db dx what will be? This 3x square twice x square and b will be 1b will be common, b square x square b divided by twice x square b x square. So this can be written as x square will be common, x square will be common, then thrice b square plus twice b divided by twice b plus 1. That means x square will be cancelled. Okay, so x db dx equals to can be written as thrice b square plus twice b twice b plus 1 minus b. Taking LCM from this, twice b plus 1 will be the LCM, plus twice b minus twice b square minus b. Actually, this means what? B square plus b divided by twice b plus 1. Therefore, this equals to this. So from this, we can write by db from this, twice b plus 1 divided by b square plus b db equals to what will be 1 by x dx, by separating the variable. Now variable separable method. Okay, just separating the variable. After cross multiplication, we get this equal to this. So now integrating on both sides, twice b square plus b db equals to, or actually the differentiation of denominator is equal to what? Numerator. This is why ln b square plus b equals to what will be ln x plus constant will be what? ln c. So from this line, b square plus b equals to ln xc. Okay, now omitting ln from both sides, b square plus b equals to xc. But b square means what? Y by x whole square. Remember it. Y by b equals to y by x. Okay, or from this, y square by x square, y by x equals to cx. Now multiplying by x square on both sides, y square yx cx cube, which is the required solution. Okay, which is the required solution. Now actually we have solved an example of homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree, and just substituting y equals to bx in the given equation and variable separable method here, then this is the required solution. Okay, now the another example, second example, solve twice x cube y dx plus x4 y plus y4 dy equals to 0. And this differential equation, this can be written as what? Dy dx equals to minus twice x cube y divided by x4 plus y4, which is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now just substituting y equals to bx and dy dx, what will be b into x db dx. So this equals to what will be, this value will be changed. So 2x cube y equals to what? Bx. Now x4 plus y4, what will be? Bx to the power 4. So this can be written as twice bx4 x4 plus b4 x4. Okay, now x4 will be cancelled from all side, twice b divided by 1 plus b4 minus b. Okay, is it right? Now this can be written as what will be 1 plus b4 twice b minus b plus minus what will be b to the power 5 or x dx what will be b minus b to the power 5 divided by 1 plus b4. So this can be written as b into 1 minus b4, 1 plus b4. So by variable separables, 1 plus b4 divided by b into 1 minus b4 db equals to 1 by x dx. By just separating the variables, we can write this equation. Now integrating on both sides, b4 1 plus b4 db equals to integration 1 by x dx. But here there is a partial fraction. Okay, by using partial fraction, we can write this one like this. If b equals to 0, by using partial fraction, we can write 1 by 3 by b plus 2 by 3 z cube, 2 by 3 1 minus b to the power 4. D 1 by x dx. Now we can easily integrate this. 1 by b integration, what will be with respect to b? ln b, and this is the differentiation of new denominator will be the actually minus b cube, minus 3b cube. Okay, minus 3 so there is, you have to remember this, after variable separable, we have to separate the variables. Okay, then there is a partial, we can make it partial fraction like this, 1 by b, and 2b cube 4 divided by this will be 2b to the b cube divided by 1 minus b4. So after integration we get this result. Okay, now substituting y equals to b equals to what, y by x, putting b equals to y by x here, we get the required solution. This is the required solution, y square x square equals to c square x square x4 y4. This is the result. So differentiation of new denominator 1 minus b4 will be minus 4b cube. Okay, this is why ln 1 minus b4 integration, and this half ln using the properties of ln, half will be what, root over, and ln for minus b minus log m minus log n, what, log m by n, remember it. This is why just squaring on both sides we get the required result. Very easy. Okay, now another example 3 is solve x cube plus y cube dx minus 3x y square dy equals to 0. And this equation, this differential equation can be written as like this. This will be, you have to divide by x cube plus y cube. Then you have to divide, first of all you have to divide with what, thrice x y square, thrice x y square, thrice x y square. Then dividing by dx. After cross multiplication, you get this one. So just putting y equals to bx, dy dx will be this, and from equation 1 we can write what will be x cube plus bx whole cube, then y square means bx whole square. So x cube common 1 plus b cube, and here will be thrice x cube into b square. X cube will be cancelled, 1 plus b cube divided by thrice b square minus b. Okay, so from this thrice b square will be LCM, 1 plus b cube minus thrice b cube. So we can write 1 minus twice b cube divided by thrice b square. Now separating the variables, one minus twice b cube thrice b square. Okay, now separating the variables, you can write what? Separating the variables, thrice b square divided by 1 minus 2b cube db. This will be 1 by x dx. Just separating the variables. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get the we have to make it first this this differentiation substitute using the substitution process. 1 minus twice b cube equals to what? Z. 1 minus twice b cube equals to what? Z. So minus 6b square equals to dz. 6b square db equals to what will be? Dz. So thrice b square db equals to what will be? Minus half dz. That means we have to introduce minus half here. Ln 1 minus twice b cube equals to ln x plus ln c. So ln x plus half ln 1 minus twice b cube equals to ln c, or this can be written as multiplying by 2 on both sides. This may c1, okay, constant c1, twice ln x ln 1 minus twice b cube equals to ln c2. Okay, ln c2. So from this x square 1 minus 2b cube equals to what will be? C, or 1 minus twice b cube means what? Y cube divided by x cube equals to c. Therefore, multiplying by x cube on both sides. Multiplying by x cube on both sides, we get cx cube. Okay, this is the result. Sorry, this will be x cube cx. This will be the result. Okay, now example 4, twice x plus thrice y dx plus y minus x dy equals to 0. This is the example from some outline series. The writer Frank Ayres. This differential equation can be written as, this is the actually first order and first degree, and also homogeneous, because it can be written as like this. This is the homogeneous of standard degree 1. So this can be written as like this, dy dx equals to, now substituting y equals to bx, dy dx, what will be b in plus x db dx. Okay, so just putting y equals to bx here, we get, and dy dx equals to b plus x db dx, we get this. Now variable separable, just by cross multiplication you can write. Now integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides, we get this one. Now how we can integrate this? This can be written as like this, or minus twice b plus 2 minus one by x dx. Okay, can we write this? Twice b just separating the variables here, x db dx equals to minus b square minus twice b minus 2. So minus will be common, so we get b square plus twice b plus 2. And separating the variables, we can write db into what? This will be denominator, okay, and this will be numerator. So b minus 1, and after cross multiplication we get this. Now this b minus 1 can be written as twice b minus 2, just multiplying by half, minus half. Okay, so this 2b minus 2 can be written as twice b plus 2 minus 4. Why we can make this 2b plus 2b minus 2? Why we have taken actually b square plus twice b, the differentiation of this what? B square plus 2. Okay, so twice b plus twice b plus 2 is the differentiation of denominator. This is why we have made numerator twice b plus 2. Then subtracting 4, we get the original twice b minus 2. Okay, now separating this into two fraction, that means partial fraction. Twice b plus 2 divided by whole, minus 4 into half, minus 4 into minus half, plus 2 divided by denominator, and this will be same, equals to, now minus half. This is the actually the integration, what will be, because the differentiation of denominator equals to numerator. This is why ln denominator, ln into denominator, plus 2 into, this is the actually the b square plus twice b plus 2 can be written as what? B plus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay, b square plus 2b plus 1 what? B plus 1 whole square plus 1. This is why this formula will be what? Integration of what will be? Integration of 2 into integration of 1 by b plus 1 whole square plus 1. That means tan inverse b plus 1 by 1. Okay, tan inverse x by a formula. So 1 by x formula ln x plus ln c constant. So this ln x plus this one minus this one equals to what? C2, another constant, new constant. So ln x multiplying by 2 on both sides. Okay, so we get x square and half will be omitted. So ln for plus will be multiplied minus 4 into tan inverse b means what? B plus 1 c2, another constant, new constant, after multiplying 2. So we get just putting b equals to what? B equals to y equals to bx. B equals to what will be? Y by x. Just putting b equals to y by x here, we get this. Now taking LCM x square, we get y square plus twice xy plus 2x square, but x square will be cancelled. Okay, minus 4 tan inverse x plus y by x equals to c. This is the required solution of the differential equation.
স্যার আপনার মাইকটা মিউট করা।
Hello. So 1 plus 2 into e to the power x by y dx plus 2 into e to the power x by y 1 minus xy dy. This can be written as like this, as a homogeneous form. Dy dx equals to just dividing by this on both sides, and we get numerator this. Now we can take this in inverse way, dx by dy, then x become, y become independent variable and x become dependent variable in this case. So this is also homogeneous form of degree same. So just considering x equals to by, because x become what? Dependent variable. This is why we can write this one 2 into what will be e to the power b 1 minus b minus 1 plus 2 e to the power b. Can we write? So 2 e to the power b 1 minus b divided by 1 plus twice e to the power b. This will be e to the power b. Okay, and here will be a minus b. So here will be y dy. Okay, y dy, y dy. Okay, dv dy. So minus e to the power b 1 minus b 1 plus 2 e to the power b minus taking LCM we get minus 2 b e to the power b 1 minus b. Minus 2 b even minus b into minus b into what will be 1 plus 2 e to the power b. So minus 2 e to the power b minus 2 b e to the power b minus b minus 2 b e to the power b divided by 1 plus 2 e to the power b. Now from this will be y dy. Okay, y dy equals to what will be, actually what we get, this will be cancelled, right? So we get minus b plus 2 e to the power b 1 plus 2 e to the power b. Now separating the variables, we can write 1 plus 2 e to the power b, b plus 2 e to the power b 1 by y dy, separating the variables. Now integrating on both sides, e to the power b 2 e to the power b db equals to 1 by y dy. So differentiation of denominator equals to numerator, right? So what can be written, ln denominator, okay, b plus 2 into e to the power b, e to the power b, and this will be b equals to what will be ln y plus ln c. Okay, now just putting the values, omitting ln on from we can omit all ln from both sides also. Then we can write b plus 2 e to the power b equals to yc. Okay, now b equals to what, x by y, 2 into e to the power x by y equals to y c. Okay, this is the result. Okay, now reduces to homogeneous form. Reduces to homogeneous form. Case 1, suppose if the coefficient of xy small a divided by capital A, small b divided by capital B equal, then in this case how we can solve? Suppose an example, example 6, dy dx equals to x plus twice y minus 3 divided by twice x plus y minus 3. Actually here x coefficient and this x coefficient. Okay, this x coefficient and this y coefficient, and y coefficient what? 1. Okay, so for the first case, if this ratio is not equal, okay, x coefficient of numerator and denominator and y coefficient of numerator and denominator are not equal, in that case we have to reduce it into homogeneous form. How? Let small x equals to capital X plus a's, and small y equals to capital Y plus k. Okay, now dx, what will be? Dx equals to dx what? Dx by, and dy equals to what will be? Plus 0. That means small dx equals to this, and small dy equals to this. So dy by dx what will be? Dy by dx what will be? Capital dy capital dx equals to x equals to what was? X plus a, and 2y equals to what was? Y plus k, minus 3 divided by 2 into x plus a plus y means what? Y plus k minus 3. So this can be written as capital Y capital X can be written as what? X. This can be written as x plus twice y plus 2 into y plus k. Okay, x plus 2y, h plus twice k, another constant, all will be constant, h plus twice k minus 3, and here twice x plus y plus 2h plus k minus 3. Okay, now choosing h k such that this will be 0, h plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0, and twice h plus k minus 3 equal to 0. Now solving for sk, multiplying by 2, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So 2 multiply 2, then subtracting from this, so 4h twice k minus 6 equals to 0, h plus twice k minus 3 equals to 0. Now subtracting twice, thrice h equals to what? Minus 3. Okay, h equals to what? Minus 1, right? Or plus 1, which one? Maybe plus 1. Okay, so h equals to 1. Now putting a value s in equation 1, so twice k equals to what will be? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2k equals to 3 minus 1 equals to what will be 2. So k equals to what? 1. That means h k will be 1. So this is equation number 1, given equation, and this is the reduced equation. Now putting the value of h k from 2, we can write capital dy capital dx equals to what will be? X plus 2y divided by twice x plus y. This is the reduced one. Now let y equals to bx. Y equals to bx. So from this we can write dy dx, what will be? B plus x db dx. For homogeneous, now it's become homogeneous. Equation number what? 3. Sorry, 2, and this is 1, this is 3. Equation 3 is homogeneous. Now we can substitute y equals to bx. But remember it, variable will be what? Capital. So after this line, we can write b plus x db dx. What will be? Y equals to bx. X plus 2 bx twice x plus bx. So from this x db dx, x will be cancelled, so we get 1 plus twice b and 2 plus b minus b. X plus db dx equals to what will be? 1 plus twice b minus twice b minus b square, taking LCM. So or x db dx equals to 2b cancelled, 1 minus b square, 2 plus b. Now variables separables. Now separating the variables, 2 plus b, 1 minus b square db, 1 by x dx. Okay. Now integrating on both sides. Capital X, all variable are capital, remember it. So separating the variables and integrating on both sides, we can get this integration. Now by using partial fraction, we can use here, suppose 1 minus b square equals to a divided by 1 plus b, what will be 2 plus b, 1 plus b and b divided by 1 minus b. So 2 plus b equals to what will be? A into 1 minus b, b into what will be? 1 plus b. Now b, if b equals to 1, then I will be 0. So b equals to what will be? For b equals to 1, twice b equals to 3. So b equals to what? 2 by 3. And for b equals to, for b equals to 1. For b equals to minus 1, for b equals to minus 1, b will be 0. Okay. So minus twice a equals to what will be? 1. So a equals to what will be? Minus half. So putting a equals to minus half, that means we can write this into 2 parts, equal 2 parts, minus half divided by 1 plus b, and another one is what? 2 by 3, 1 minus b. Okay. Dx. Now just integrating on both sides, we can write minus half. This integration what will be? Log 1 plus b, and this will be 2 by 3 log 1 minus b. This equals to ln x, ln c. Okay. So this can be written as a power multiplying by 2 on both sides, multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2 on both sides. We can write this ln multiplying by 2 on both sides, 1 plus b divided by, and this will be minus, so 1 minus b whole cube equals to ln c square. After multiplying 2, this will become c square into x. Okay. Then ln, removing from both sides, So 1 plus b means what? B means x by y. Okay, x by y, 1 minus x by y whole cube c square capital X. So from this line, actually we get, after solving, x plus y equals to, taking LCM, y minus x whole cube, c into y minus x whole cube, and there will be c square. So this is equation number what? 4. Now putting x equals to what? Capital X equals to what? X minus s. Now after this line, now putting capital X equals to what? Capital X equals to small x minus s. That means small x minus 1, and y equals to what? Capital Y equals to what will be? Capital Y equals to y minus 1. Y minus 1. Okay, just putting here, we get x minus 1, x minus 1 and y minus 1 equals to c square, x minus 1 y plus 1. Okay, so this will be x minus y whole cube. So the required result will be what? Hence the required result will be what? X plus y minus 2 equals to constant x minus y whole cube. This is the result. Now another form of reduces to homogeneous equation of differential equation of first order and first degree. And case 2, if the coefficient of x in both numerator and denominator and coefficient of x in both numerator and denominator will be equal. Okay, this x coefficient and this is the y coefficient. Okay, x coefficient and y coefficient are equal. In that case, how we can solve these types of differential equation? Okay, so this is case 2, and this is the given differential equation, and just rearranging, we can write dy dx equals to x plus twice y minus 1 and x plus twice y plus 1, but the ratio of x coefficient and y coefficient are same. In that case, how we can solve these types of problem? Now put x plus 2y y equals to b. Just we have to replace the same term, equal term like this with b. So from this we can write 1 plus 2 dy dx equals to what will be? Db dx. So dy dx can be written as like this: dy dx equals to half db dx minus 1 by 2. Okay, so from equation 1, this dy dx means what? This half db dx minus half equals to what will be? B minus 1, b plus 1, or b minus 1, b plus 1 plus half. So this equals to LCM, what will be 2 into b plus 1. So 2b minus 2 plus b plus 1. This can be written as thrice b minus 1 b plus 1. Okay, multiplying by 2 on both sides. Now variable separable. Variable separable, what will be separating the variables? B plus 1 divided by thrice b minus 1 and db equals to what will be? What will be only 1 dx. Okay, just separating the variables and integrating on both sides. So this can be written as taking 1 by 3, 3b minus 1 plus 2. Now after this line, this can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 db plus 2 by 3 1 by thrice b minus 1 db equals to 1 dx. Is it right? So 1 by 3 ln b and 2 by 3 ln 3b minus 1, but dividing with the coefficient of what? 3, coefficient of b equals to x. And this will be 4, this will be 4. Okay, because 2 multiply 2 by 3, this will be 2 by 3. Thrice b minus 1 plus 2. If we take this 4, then it will be same. So now putting the value of b on both sides, multiplying by 3 on both sides, ln b plus 4 by 9 1 by 3 ln b 4 by 9 ln 3b minus 1 equals to x. Now multiplying by 9 on 3 on both sides, ln b equals to plus 4 by 3 ln 3b minus 9 equals to thrice x plus c plus thrice c. So if we multiply with 9, then it will become 4 and this will be 3. Okay, this will be 9 and this will be 9c. So just putting the value of b now. B thrice x and this will be 9 4 by 9 this. So removing ln thrice b 4 ln thrice b minus 1 9x 9c. Okay. Now putting the value of b x plus twice y. Ln thrice x plus 6y minus 1 equals to what will be 9x plus 9c. And therefore the required solution is what will be thrice x plus thrice x minus thrice y. 9c will be constant, a constant 2 log minus 1. Actually, this is the required solution. Very easy process. Just you have to calculate. Okay. So reduces to homogeneous form. There are two cases. For the first case, we have to substitute small x equals to capital X plus h and a small y equals to capital Y plus k. This will be homework 7, and this also 8 will be homework. Just observing twice x minus twice y and x minus y. So just this process we have to utilize. X minus y equals to b. Considering x minus y equals to b, that means because the coefficient are equal. Okay, second case. This is the case 2. Just using x minus y equals to b, then using this process, look like example 6, you can solve. Okay, thanks to everybody. And this is the lecture of first order and first degree differential equation solving of homogeneous form. Remember it, solving homogeneous form. In our previous lecture, we have solved the first order and first degree differential equation by using variable separable method. So this is the second part, homogeneous form. Now in next class we will learn how to solve the linear differential equation of first order and first degree. So linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay, thanks to everybody. Bye for today.
Assalamualaikum sir.